I'm only really trashing for goods now. Like I needed a cork to hold out my wheel cylinder. They said the cork should have used a fatter one, but that'll work. Wrap it with paper and put a drill on it, you know, like a screw and a chuck, and I can clean up the OEM wheel cylinder. I just drove around a 171,000 mile piece of shit around here to go get some stuff, and it runs fucking amazing. Really, like, my work is just fucking amazing. And excuse my language, I'm just really excited about it. It, like, really, I'm like amazed. Like, I really do nice freaking work. It really is good. Check out this disgusting cooler. I'll show you what was in it. I don't even know how people drink this stuff. I'm a water man. I'm a water man, and I drink like ice cream. And that's about it. This wasn't it. That was over there. They threw out $1.47 too in a bucket. Or like this nasty, what is it, like Coors Light, some Diet Pepsi shit, and some Sprite. It's just disgusting. Yeah, I want to vomit when I look at that stuff. The color of it, everything. I don't know how people can consume it anymore. I can't do it. I'm solely a water man. Or like an iced tea, or that's all I really drink, something like that. Freaking like orange juice, like fresh shit, you know, like good stuff you make yourself. I can't consume garbage anymore. And you save so much money not drinking that shit. This is bad, this thing. I can always pressure wash it. Yeah, I couldn't leave the Igloo cooler alone. Oh, perfect. Perfect. That'll clean up perfect. And rinse it out, put my soap in there. And, I gotta get straps out of that car seat too. My water can. Yeah, amazing how good this thing runs. Amazing. Yeah, I gotta take this apart and get these straps off my water can. Look at the price of a cooler. I have 4 now. Probably the last year I picked. I ain't buying coolers anymore. I pick them out of the trash and clean them up. Well, that's a marine one too. Nice. No cracks in it. You know, no reason to throw it out. Is it because it's dirty? Also got in the car seat 2 beautiful umbrellas. Didn't even see those. Bonus trash found. Good score. And I got the belts in my water can. Made in China belts. You clean them up and you kind of use them for your water can. I just gotta cut the ends out. I like to keep the sewn loops and put hose clamps through there, so you cut all this bullshit off. This with a little saw. You cut it. And good to go. You break. I might keep that end. I'm not sure. But obviously this end is going with the hook. I don't need this. I don't think I do anymore. We'll see. I'll just keep them around. Good to get some cool springs out of it too. Keep that end maybe. I don't know. That's garbage. Garbage. 239. Gotta be garbage. Almost 11. There's sirens out here. Maybe the bros next door live there and watch my shit. Yeah, it's Sunday. Picked this awesome cooler. Maybe it won't be here tomorrow because it's condo land. This thing runs fantastic. You'll see the repairs I've been doing on this thing lately. People call it a piece of shit. I call it a piece of shit. It's really not. It's just totally fucked up. And people, oh, what's the guy? The guy had a funny video. He fixes cars on YouTube, and he calls the vehicle when it's all banged up like this thing is, Helen Keller Driving School. And I fucking busted out laughing. Like, Helen Keller Driving School. Some mechanic guy on YouTube. Funny as hell. Too much fucking noise in this place. People don't know how to talk quiet. If you see in my videos, people complain that they can't hear me and shit. I don't fucking care. Because you gotta talk quiet. Because your voice travels. Look at the mess in here. I just showed you that. mess. I found a mirror for my bicycle. I gotta get rid of these TVs. So, okay. Well, finally, I forgot I got a 5-gallon bucket, and inside of it, there might have been more money that fell out in the street. I didn't look for it so much, but 75 cents. That's $1. $1.10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. Oh, $1.37. I thought it was $1.42. $1.37 in the trash. Who throws out coins and wastes $1.37 that's right in the street? Are you shitting me? I have over $50 in coins right now. Making this video again so I don't forget, but I need to get a triangle security screwdriver. This is twice now I encountered this and I don't have the proper tool. I'm gonna have to get that. If you see it in the video, remind me in the comments saying get a triangle security screwdriver, because I will forget again. I'm saving those straps for my water can, made in China shit, but they're fine for kitty belts. They're fine for making straps on water cans. I really want more water cans. I want 4 total. I have 2. You never know, around here maybe I'll put out most of your house if it's ever on fire. And I knew I had $1.47 trashed. Okay, this brings it up to $1.47. I had all coins too on the bucket. There's probably more in the street. I should ride back. Holy shit! I didn't know that was there too. Even more. $1.47, 57, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72. $1.72 now on the tray. Almost $2. Amazing. I gotta try to sell these. These are the golf balls I have. And this was the same house. I got a Hubble rack, which is still in the back of my truck, or half of it. I'm gonna save the one piece of it for if I ever had like a mower and I need a piece for a catcher. It's like the perfect kind of metal for it. And I got this Cat 6A, I think it was. Cable that's shielded, and it's still too long. I haven't really cut it back. I got that from there, and a bunch of other wiring shit. Oh shit, the socket broke in there. It's gonna be difficult to get out now. Damn it, I need a new socket for that. I'll show you when I get it. We're doing some wiring job the professional way, not the cut and splice way. Because I fix everything to really good levels. If I didn't say that, I freaking know it's driving this thing around. I'm amazed of just my work in general. It's just, I can't believe myself sometimes. I can't believe myself. This is really good. Good repairs. I don't know how I got this skill. I gotta be proud of myself. But yeah, that's good money right here. Found in the trash. To keep it all this shit too. I'm not even gonna bother selling it. You have to be good to yourself instead of giving everyone else a deal in this world. Keep things for yourself once in a while. Something that you like, it's working well, that you found. It's meant to be. Keep it. That's a gift for you. Stop giving it to everybody else. You know, I think at this point, with the price of money and everything, I'd just rather have stuff that's usable than to have stuff that I just want to sell to people and I have nothing. God damn, when shit hits the fan. You gotta think of it as like a gift from God, like the stuff that just comes your way. And yeah, sometimes you don't want it and will never need it, and that stuff you flip. But not everything from now on. Like this, do I need golf tees? Nope. Got a bunch of golf balls. Got a bag somewhere. And maybe someone will give me $5 for all the golfing shit I have. Threw out a working Sharpie. What a score, man. What a score. We gotta fix up our trucks and go out a little further out and looking for stuff. I love this cooler, seriously. I really like it. I was looking at it, I opened it up, it's filled up with this beer and horrible shit, and I was like, I don't know. I bet it'll clean up, and look at it today. I'm glad I went back and got it. I was going to leave that. When I went back the second time, I found all the change. I found the bucket. I found 2 umbrellas. Yeah. And that was just what was out. I could have went to the can too, but I'm not that crazy. I hung that at the mailbox. Looks pretty faggy. Looks cool. The bees are back. Another thing's back to Vietnam helicopter. All day yesterday. Oh, we're gonna get some storms tomorrow. Check out the chemtrails. Nice. I think I found a dent in it. Oh well.